If we are to study the Quran, we will find that there are different surahs in the Quran. And all these surahs have so much in them in terms of meaning, rich in meaning. And it is our duty to try our best to understand the Quran. And it is our duty to try our best to put whatever we've learned into practice and to convey it to others. So one is the recitation, two is the understanding, three is the putting into practice, and four is the conveying to others. One of these surahs that I'd like to speak about today is Surah Al-Kahf. Al-Kahf, named after the cave and the people of the cave. As Muslims, we should all be knowing this surah very well. It plays on our radio stations and airwaves every Friday. And we have many of us who read this surah on a regular basis, more so weekly basis, especially on a Friday. In a narration, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam speaks of how Surah Al-Kahf, the one who reads it on a Friday, would find his entire week enlightened up to the next Friday. So that is a narration. Another narration that is reported in Ad-Darimi, Sunan Ad-Darimi, where the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam has said that the one who reads Surah Al-Kahf, and here reading does not just mean to recite it, to read it, to understand it, to know what it's all about, to believe in it, to have firm conviction, and so on, will be protected from the trials of the Dajjal.